Today we will be doing the last one topic from the first lesson, first chapter, and then we will move on to part 2, which is geometry. So this is prime factors. I'm giving you a few questions
Okay.
and you have to do prime factorization of these.
Okay.
You did very well in the last class. So
Thank you.
expectations today also.
Okay. Wait, so do I just find the prime factors of these numbers?
Yes.
So, do I have to do a factor tree?
How did we do prime factors?
I forgot. Because in school we're doing this. Well, we did this a couple weeks ago. And we use factor trees to find the prime factors.
Yes, you can do that.
Can I just do it on paper?
You can do it on paper and then you can write the answers here. An incorrect one, I'll ask you to. Okay, so you can do the first one completely here and then the others on paper.
Okay. Do I have to show my working out on the first one?
Yes.
Okay. How long do I have for these questions?
You have till 20. It's 13 now?
So until 20?
Yeah, until 20. Also, there is a way of writing it. Writing the answers.
Oh, what do you mean by way of writing the answers?
Instead of just writing 2, 3, 3, there was a way.
I forgot.
Okay, I can give you a hint that it's related to cubes and squares.
Oh, I see.
Very good, that was fast.